Hello, my name is Dr. Corrine McCoy. I'm the Chief Data Strategist at G2Ops and the Solution Architect for the technology I'm going to present today. The Navy asked G2Ops to develop a software tool to model and evaluate the resiliency of industrial control systems. Tools currently exist which allow systems engineers to document and model individual or multiple attributes of a control system, the architecture, physical connections, mission threads, cyber threats. However, the models and other artifacts are often siloed, disconnected, and do not provide a viewpoint on the relationship between cyber resiliency and operational mission support. To bridge this gap, G2Ops developed a software application called Industrial Control System Resiliency Information System, IRIS. IRIS is a mission based cyber risk management tool that allows evidence based assessments of a system's cybersecurity posture and its ability to support operations. Iris's suite of capabilities allow threat analysts to identify assets critical to mission essential functions, identify assets impacted by emerging attack vectors, prioritize remediation strategies, and gain new insights about the system's security posture using our consolidated threat intelligence repositories. IRIS will significantly reduce the time needed to measure cyber resiliency and allow engineers to focus their analysis on impact to mission and the most operationally critical operations. Before we dive into the specific capabilities offered by Iris, I'd like to introduce you to our company, G2Ops. G2Ops provides leading edge systems modeling, software engineering, and cybersecurity engineering for the Department of Defense, Department of Homeland Security, and a growing list of commercial clients. With offices in three locations on both the East and West Coast, our team of seasoned cybersecurity, cloud, software, and systems engineers bring decades of experience in systems modeling and data analytics to improve systems and illuminate cyber strengths and weaknesses. Our clients and the media have recognized us for our pioneering applications of model based systems engineering to solve complex challenges. For the fifth time, G2Ops appears on the Inc. 5000 list among the nation's fastest growing private companies with 3 year revenue growth of more than 124%. G2Ops is also a cybersecurity maturity model certification registered provider, which allows us to provide consulting services to other defense contractors who must meet accreditation standards. We perform cybersecurity analysis within the DoD and prime vendor community from many different engineering and compliance viewpoints. We understand where seams exist in current risk models and how to provide innovative insights. For decision makers, the lack of full visibility of cyber risk within a tactical system and associated platforms hinders the ability to conduct cyber analysis from a unified vantage point. Why is this? The information gap inherent in standalone models and disparate data schemas is not conducive to system wide analysis. Furthermore, a risk analysis presented strictly through the lens of compliance to configuration standards using a limited set of tools provides a narrow view of a system's inherent security posture. STIGs, ACAS scans, and IAVMs are great resources for ensuring compliance with security directives. However, these tools do little to provide the program office with insight regarding operational readiness and the ability of a complex integrated system to support mission critical capabilities. Stakeholders need a tool spanning not only multiple platforms, open architectures, and shared systems, but inclusive of threat intelligence from a variety of sources. In the past, industrial control systems were isolated using specialized hardware and software. Over time, widely available Internet Protocol devices have replaced many ICS solutions, which have increased the risk of cybersecurity incidents. Competitors and potential adversaries have exploited Navy information systems, penetrated its defenses, and stolen massive amounts of national security intellectual property. We have to move from a culture of security by compliance to a culture where security is embedded in everything we do and can be designed to prioritize mission critical operations. For the program office, A cyber risk assessment is critical to ensuring platforms perform as intended and ICS safety and reliability concerns are properly addressed. Unfortunately, much the needed analysis is performed manually and focused on vulnerabilities in fragmented systems with legacy architectures. Analysts are suffering to execute at the pace needed to modernize, innovate, defend traditional warfighting domains. As a result, the program office may not be able to easily determine the system, or more important, the mission that's impacted when vulnerabilities are detected. Here's where our solution, IRIS, helps to reduce the complexity of these analyses through use of model-based systems engineering methodologies. In our solution, the baseline architecture, network topology, and mission threads are captured in an extensible engineering model which serves as the attack surface, enabling lower level analysis. Iris's cyber analytics are designed to intelligently correlate a platform's architecture with our consolidated vulnerability and threat repository. Iris is a cloud based application that operates in both unclassed and classified environments. Iris provides a deep set of cyber risk analytics on any architecture that includes a hierarchical decomposition of system, subsystems, and configuration items. G2Ops has developed an industry leading gold standard methodology and automated ingestion tools which allow us to efficiently capture enterprise architecture and operational behaviors in a digital engineering model. IRIS provides a correlation framework which aggregates disparate information from public and DoD vulnerability intelligence sources related to cyber incidents, known vulnerabilities, product lifecycle, system compliance, system exposure, penetration pathways, and risk mitigation strategies. This sophisticated analytical capability provides unique insight into the cyber operational readiness of a system or system of systems. When integrated with an engineering model, IRIS also identifies baseline deviations by auto generating cyber compliance assessments and artifacts required by the risk management framework. This capability provides significant time and cost efficiencies for program offices executing the RMF process. IRIS includes our own custom resiliency metrics that provide mission focused quantitative analytics to improve the awareness and security of mission critical components. On demand visualizations, dashboards, and reports allow stakeholders access to consolidated analysis of the current baseline architecture of an NCS to increase the visibility of cyber risk. Through regularly scheduled technical reviews with cybersecurity engineers, G2Ops has been able to solicit valuable feedback, which has guided the development of a solution which will meet or exceed the needs of the program office. G2Ops is currently 80% complete with Iris development efforts. We're nearing completion of integration with tactical platform data and verification of our cyber resiliency analysis using resources in our in house classified lab. We expect to have a viable prototype ready for operational testing with the program office during the second quarter of fiscal year 2023. Once we have demonstrated full capability to NAVC, IRIS will achieve technical readiness level 6. Our cyber adversaries prove more and more capable every day. Fielding more cyber resilient systems will reduce operational impacts due to cyber attack and improve system and warfighter effectiveness. Iris's models enable optimization of cybersecurity architectures, driving up critical system operational resiliency while lowering maintenance and sustainment costs. Iris's architecture models also speed process execution and artifact generation for the risk management framework. Iris's automated analytical processes allow real-time analysis of remediation strategies and dynamic scenarios that simulate the impact of configuration changes. Iris provides cyber insight that is not available to program offices and systems developers today and optimizes the RMF process through automation. Iris is intended to transition to a program of record as a shore based capability. As part of our technology maturity plan, G2Ops will continue to refine our cyber resiliency analysis to account for additional scenarios that consider insider threats, scalar alterations to the baseline architecture configuration, the effectiveness of NIST 853 security control implementations, and additional scenarios that facilitate storyboarding for analysis of hardware and software changes. As the infrastructure matures, G2Ops will work to integrate our technology and the associated MBSE projects into the NavAir integrated modeling environment and other digital engineering environments to facilitate collaboration with mission stakeholders. G2Ops currently has several SBIR Phase 3 contracts that provide a direct path to our engineering, cloud, cybersecurity services, and product development for all government entities. The flexibility of the Phase 3 options is ideal for agency officials wanting to improve processes and costs associated with mission completion. The initial Navy customer for this project is NAVSEA HM&E Systems. They expressed significant interest in the application of systems modeling to improve cybersecurity assessments and provide cyber insight into systems operational effectiveness. Any industry that relies on a complex network architecture can take advantage of the graph analytics envisioned for Iris. This technology also has potential commercial transition to ICS SCADA systems throughout national critical infrastructure. The insight provided by Iris to aid in risk reduction and resiliency analysis is agnostic of military or commercial domains. Possible other uses include large industrial plants in the manufacturing, water, electric, and power industries. Iris's ability to integrate and ingest MBSC engineering model data is designed to make our technology a core part of the system or product design process of a prime integrator. The flexible design and resilience on open standards and nomenclature allow the IRIS framework to be easily adapted for any DoD entity or commercial enterprise. G2Ops is open to partner with organizations interested in utilizing IRIS standalone or as a complement to their existing product line, design validation methodologies, or general systems engineering processes. The leading edge analytics provided by our tool, Iris, are ideally suited for programs that may be struggling to design, field, or sustain capability at the pace needed because the cybersecurity analysis process is conducted manually and without proper mission context. Contact us now to determine how Iris fits into your long range modernization plans to improve resiliency and accelerate new capability development.